Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify not uploading. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify not uploading, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page of apps, you will search about the application of Spotify and you will enter. Then this page of app info, we click on force stop, you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find the Spotify. You can click uninstall your app. You will wait a moment and you can install it again to fix that problem you have on your Spotify app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.